Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing demon makeup. We're going to start with the James Charles palette in the shade You're Kidding, and I'm going to blend that from my crease up into my eyebrow. I'm doing that because I don't want to use the red paint on my eyelids. Then I'm going to use the shade Spooky and apply it all over my eyelids and wing it out. And then I'm going to blend it really well up into that red shade. Then once I'm satisfied with that blend, I'm going to take the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner and create a nice big wing at the base of that black eyeshadow. I want it to be super dramatic and kind of in your face. Then I'm going to take my Mehron Paradise paint, the color Beach Berry, and apply it all over my face, neck, and chest. And I'm going to kind of take it down my arms a little bit too, since I am wearing a strapless shirt. I want to make sure that the color on my face is really solid. Normally I would do 2 layers, making sure that it dries completely between each layer, but the first layer I put down this time was fairly thick. If I were to be wearing this out, I would do the same thing on my neck and chest, but for the purpose of what I'm doing, I did leave it a little bit sparse. I'm also going to make sure that my ears are colored because I don't want that skin showing through, and then I'm going to set it all with really any translucent setting powder. Then I'm going to take any matte red shade that matches this face paint, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to apply it on top of all of the paint. Everywhere that's red, I want to put that red eyeshadow. It's going to help make that red look a lot more even and a lot brighter, and it's going to help when blending out your contour. I'm using the Beaute Grandiose palette in the shade Poppy for my contour. Any kind of darker red shade would work for this. I'm going to apply my contour like I normally would, as well as on my neck and on my chest to make everything stand out a little bit more. I'm going to use a small brush to contour my nose, Cupid's bow, and under my bottom lip. And then I'm going to use the shade Spooky and smoke out my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner and put that on my waterline. Then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills MoonChild Glow Kit in the shade Star for my highlight. I really like that nice silvery look on it. Then I'm going to go in and put it on my inner corner, use a small brush to blend it out. Then off camera, I'm going to apply the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. And then my trusted LimeCrime Velvetine Liquid Lipstick in the shade Black Velvet to top it all off. And then that brings us to our final look. I really enjoyed doing this one. It was fairly simple to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you again soon. Bye!